In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Canon Pixma TR3720 using a USB cable like this one to your computer. So let's get started right away. By the way, this is not included in the box. You'll have to purchase one separately if you don't already have a printer cable. You see, like this one. Once you have your cable, go on the back of your printer, and we need to go on the back right side. There's a port right over here. This is where you need to connect this end of the cable. So go ahead and insert it like that, and the other end goes in your computer. Now there's a good chance that your computer does not have a USB type A port, especially if you have one of these newer Macs. You'll need an adapter, or you need a cable that is USB type C to printer connector. In my case, I have this adapter that will adapt this USB type A, so it becomes USB type C. Go ahead and connect it to your computer. Now, on your computer, you may get this message, allow accessory to connect. Obviously, if you see this, press allow. Then what we need to do is to go in the settings. So go on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, then go down this list until you select System Settings. From here, okay, you're gonna go down this menu all the way down where you see printers and scanners. If your menu looks different, it's probably because you have an older Mac. In that case, what you need to do is, again, to find printers. It should be somewhere on the screen. Once you're here, you need to go down this list and select Add Printer. You'll have to enter the username and the password of your Mac. Window will appear, and you're going to see your Canon printer in this list. Click on it. It should be written over here, USB multifunction, and press the Add button. It should be added, and now if we check over here under printers, your Canon should be with a green dot, meaning that it's ready to be used. And this is about it. You're now connected to your printer. You can simply open any document or go on any web page. So over here I'm on Wikipedia, and let's say I want to print this page. I'll go on the top left corner here, press print, and the first option here, you need to make sure that your printer is the one selected. Then change these settings. If you need to change them, press print, and this is it. You will print using your USB cable. If you want to scan, you can also do this. To scan, you need to go back here, printers and scanners, find your printer. Okay, this is mine. Click on it, and then click Open Scanner. You should have on the left side, click on your Canon printer, click on Show Details, and here it will give you a preview of what's on the scan band. You'll be able to change these settings here, and when you're ready, simply press the scan button down below. Okay, so this is a preview, what you see here. It's not saved on the computer. To save, you need to press scan, and then it will scan and save. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.